Now let's explore the most promising passive income opportunities available to students in 2025. I'll break down four main categories that can help you start earning money while you focus on your studies. First up is content creation, one of the most accessible ways to start earning passive income. You can create YouTube videos or TikTok content sharing your knowledge, hobbies, or experiences. As you can see from these real examples, YouTube channels can generate thousands of views and hundreds of hours of watch time, while TikTok creators can earn over $150 from their content. The key is consistency and providing value to your audience. Next, let's talk about selling digital products. This includes creating ebooks, online courses, design templates, or any digital content that solves a problem for your target audience. Platforms like Etsy make it easy to sell digital products to millions of customers worldwide. You can create study guides, planners, design templates, or educational content based on your expertise and sell them repeatedly without additional work. Third is e-commerce, specifically print on demand. This allows you to design products like t-shirts, mugs, and accessories without holding any inventory. When someone orders your design, it's printed and shipped automatically. Platforms like Fourth Wall make it incredibly easy to design and sell hundreds of high-quality products instantly. You simply upload your designs, and they handle everything else: printing, shipping, and customer service. Finally, affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services you believe in and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. This works great alongside content creation. This dashboard shows real affiliate marketing performance with sales, commissions, and detailed analytics. You can promote products through your social media, blog, or YouTube channel and earn commissions ranging from 3% to 50% depending on the product. Remember, the key to success with any of these passive income streams is to start with one that matches your skills and interests, be consistent, and always focus on providing genuine value to your audience. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but with dedication, they can provide substantial passive income while you study. Digital products are one of the most accessible ways for students to create passive income. Unlike physical products, they can be created once and sold repeatedly without inventory or shipping costs. Digital products are files that customers can download and use immediately. The beauty is that you create them once, but can sell them unlimited times without any additional production costs. There are several types of digital products that work well for students. The key is to think about your existing skills and knowledge that others would find valuable. Ebooks are perfect for sharing your knowledge. You could create study guides for subjects you excel in, how-to guides for skills you've mastered, or even personal development content based on your experiences. Online courses can be incredibly lucrative, especially in high-demand areas like coding, design, or marketing. Students often have fresh perspectives on learning these skills that can be valuable to others. Templates and graphics are popular because they save people time. You could create social media templates, resume designs, presentation layouts, or digital planners that others can customize for their needs. Once you've created your digital products, you need platforms to sell them. Fortunately, there are several user-friendly options that require minimal upfront investment. Etsy is excellent for templates and graphics because it already has customers actively searching for digital products. Fourth Wall is great for creators who want an all-in-one platform for selling courses and ebooks. Success with digital products comes down to two key principles: focus on quality and solve real problems. When you create valuable content that genuinely helps people, you can earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. The most important thing to remember is to start with what you already know. Focus on helping others solve problems, and always prioritize creating high-quality products over trying to create many mediocre ones. YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms for generating passive income as a student. With over 2 billion users worldwide, it offers incredible opportunities to monetize your knowledge and creativity. The YouTube Partner Program is your gateway to earning ad revenue from your videos. This program allows you to monetize your content through advertisements that play before, during, or after your videos. To join the partner program, you need either 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Once accepted, you can start earning from day one. Earnings vary widely, but creators can earn anywhere from $50 to several $1,000s per month, depending on their audience size and engagement. Even small channels can generate meaningful passive income. Brand sponsorships often pay much more than ad revenue. Companies pay creators to promote their products or services. A single sponsored video can earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars, depending on your audience size and niche. For example, a channel with 50,000 subscribers might earn $500 to $2,000 per sponsored video, while larger channels can command $5,000 or more for a single partnership. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting products you genuinely use and recommend. Tech reviewers like Marques Brownlee earn significant income by including affiliate links to products they review, like headphones or smartphones. Affiliate commissions typically range from 3 to 10% per sale. If you review a $200 product and earn a 5% commission, that's $10 per sale. With hundreds of viewers clicking your links, this adds up quickly. Success on YouTube requires focusing on 4 key areas: quality content with good audio and visuals, consistency in your upload schedule, providing real value to viewers, and optimizing for search with relevant keywords. Remember these key points. YouTube offers multiple income streams that work together. Start with the partner program for ad revenue, build your audience for sponsorship opportunities, use affiliate marketing for product reviews, and always prioritize consistency and quality in your content creation. With dedication and the right strategy, YouTube can become a significant source of passive income. Many student creators earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, all while building valuable skills and sharing their knowledge with the world. Print on demand is one of the most student-friendly ways to start an e-commerce business. Unlike traditional retail, you don't need to buy inventory up front or worry about storage space in your dorm room. So what exactly is print on demand? It's a business model where you create designs and upload them to a platform. When someone orders a product with your design, the platform prints it, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. Here's exactly how the print on demand process works. A customer places an order on your online store and pays the retail price. You then forward this order to your pod supplier, who prints the design on the product and ships it directly to the customer. The best part? You keep the profit margin between what the customer pays and what the POD platform charges. For example, if a customer pays $25 for a t-shirt and the platform charges you $15 to produce it, you keep $10 profit. There are several popular print-on-demand platforms to choose from. Printful integrates with your own online store, while Redbubble provides a built-in marketplace where customers can discover your designs. Print on demand is perfect for students because it requires minimal time investment. You can create designs during your free time, and once uploaded, they can generate income while you focus on your studies. To succeed with print on demand, focus on creating unique designs that solve problems or appeal to specific niches. Research trending topics, understand your target audience, and consistently upload new designs to increase your chances of sales. Print on demand offers students a genuine opportunity to build passive income without the typical barriers of traditional e-commerce. Start small, be consistent with your designs, and watch your income grow over time.